Hello everyone. So for today I thought maybe we could use this sorry, still got this cough, but index card file system type thing to make some pieces. We'll see how we do. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm not. Nope. But I'm thinking if I just trace this. This should work to making a file folder, like a mini file folder. And I'm pretty sure you could do the same thing with other pieces. I'm just personally trying to figure this out. With old scrapbook paper. Yeah, just to make a little file folder piece. Now this piece I did fold up already, so I might just make it a plain piece. But to make like journal cards. I like using stuff like this to create my pieces just because then again I'm not having the plain card. I don't like making my journal cards the same every single time. I know most of you realize this. I do have issues with doing that. So there, got a cute little file folder that way. Could make this into a pocket too if we really wanted to. Again, I'm not being rather particular with this. You might hear some noise because my mailman's coming through, which means he may decide to knock on my door. He might, I know there are packages coming, so we'll see what he decides he's going to do today. Depends on the day of the week with him. Again, I'm not being exact with this. Another one. Now, this was what I was thinking for the one that was bent, but it didn't end up being that way. Instead of it being a file folder that goes up and down, I was thinking side to side to open up. just because I want to cut it. I'm pretty exact here. There we go. I did do this one in the wrong direction, but that's okay. You can't really tell other than this right there. But yeah, I like that. All right. So we got a couple of them going now. Different versions, all of them. So now it's time to decorate them and decide what they're going to be. And I'm thinking this one is going to be a part of this bumblebee one. I just think the bumblebee idea would be good for it. There, and I just dropped it, of course. Oh well. That, or maybe this spot. Yeah. Or should I have this in here? Oop, I'm dropping them. Obviously, I have a case of the Dropsies today. I like that better, actually. But yeah, I'm just having a bit of a play today. I thought I'd just bring you along on how to use something as simple as finding like an index card that looks kind of like a file folder. You can make into something else. You can use it as a template for other things instead of using it as ephemera itself. And voila. Alright, and right up here I kind of want to make the word B. Just to give it a little bit more extra to it. So we got that one done. Now this one, I'm wondering if I want to, where I want to add this into, or if I want to. I think this one I'm just going to refile in my empty stuff that I've made recently. This one I want to do this bird kit here. Just stick that on there. So I figured out my unfinished box is a bit unusual and is not all unfinished stuff. It's a lot of ideas in it. As I've been going through it, I've been noticing a lot of this stuff is stuff that I have ideas for and just never did anything more with it. So there we go. I'm just gonna spice this up a little with a little bit of pink, just because I think that's what it needs at this point. The bird song series doesn't really have a lot of purple in it, but it has a lot of pink. And I thought this gold went really well with it. So at this top little part here, I'm just gonna add a little bit of an outline here with my Sharpie. And then I'm going to add the word bird. Just because, again, it goes kind of with the theme of it. Now, this one is going to be a part of my random one, so we can decorate it with whatever we want. Doesn't necessarily need to be a bird or anything in particular. I think this is a great way to use this sticker with alligators and lizards and stuff, because honestly, I have no interest in that, but again, I almost have it. You notice it is peeled in that one spot. It just doesn't want to give it to me. Doesn't help that I went off and cut my nails last night, so like I have no nail. Where I used to have nails. So it takes me a couple more moments. I have noticed with this bunch of stickers that I got, they like to curl. They really like to curl. Alright. So I'm going to put on this one C. Just because, again, I think it's a good idea to add like letters or a word at the top. So S E A. And then this will just get stuck in a pocket or something in that journal or the altered book. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, it's just a simple little template. I have another template that we're going to be working with too soon, so that will be fun. But I wanted to show you off how I use just simple things like this that I find or get through Etsy. I hold on to them so I can make different pieces for journaling and pockets and tags and all that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.